We just got out of our Uber. It was a Tesla. We weren't expecting it. It was so nice and elevated. He had pop music. He had Shawn Mendes on.
The sunroof.
Oh my god.
So
like
nice.
It was so cool. Molly, right? See, he's talking now. Hi, Molly. Hello. Handstands, disco. Hi, Molly. Guys, there's so many birds here. He's so cute. Hi, Blanca. Guys, look what I found. Another bird over there. Chilling out. So, darling, how is your experience so far here? Do you love it?
I love birds.
Cool they are. They speak to you. So many of them. And we're gonna go for a round 2 because we love the birds so much. And hopefully our wishes come true. This is like the prettiest bridge ever. So romantic. Perfect for dates or just a fun day with friends, honestly. So worth it for $7 just to have fun with birds. You can go around however long you want. You can stay for however long you want and just like play I Spy with the birds. To enter. Hi! Hello! So many cute cats running around and we're gonna start playing with them soon. We're gonna pick a toy and then we're gonna play with the cats. Look at them! Oh my god, they're ready! They are ready.
Oh, you got it. Good job. Good job, girl.
She loves it. How you doing? Look who's sleeping. So many sleepy cats in here. All of them are so tired. Look at this one right here. My goodness.
Probably this one was the friendliest, I'm pretty sure.
So we're here at lunch, lady. We got lucky and we walked in and it was only a 5-minute wait. I got my Vietnamese iced coffee and now we're just waiting for our bone marrow and some food to end the night. So super exciting. It's good. It's authentic. the soup first. Alright, now for the beef. It's AA rare Canadian beef.
Steamies on the side.
Thank you. The bone marrow just came, guys. I'm so excited. This looks so good. I'm so excited to devour this. Look at that, it's gonna be such a good bite, guys. Last bite, guys. Oh my god, already done. It's so good. What's in my coffee?